In the Blue Parrot nightclub, they have a live parrot in the bar. I haven't actually seen it. I just read about it there in the paper. And the animal rights people said they thought the parrot shouldn't be caged and kept in a loud, smoky environment. That might be harmful to the bird, might not proper treatment for a wild bird such as a parrot, and that it ought to be turned back into a bird sanctuary. So they called they thought it might be cruel for the bird. So they called the pet police, and the pet police came out and checked on the bird, and they felt that the bird was doing okay, that the environment was all right, the bird was being well taken care of, and so they didn't they didn't act on it. They left the bird there in the bar. But Mr. Cranky, being the nosy person that he is, he decided to err on the side of the animal rights activists. So he took it on himself. He took the law in his own hands, I guess you'd say. He rushed in the bar, burst in there, bird napped the parrot, stuck it under his coat, rushed out down the street, and took the parrot out of one smoky environment and put it in another smoky place. Now that concludes the Mr. Cranky Show for tonight, and I've got to run. I hear my wife calling. She said dinner's on the table. So good night.